The 2026 Toyota 4Runner arrives as a bold evolution of one of the most iconic off-road SUVs on the market, combining rugged dependability with modern-day sophistication. For decades, the 4Runner has stood as a favorite among adventure seekers and trail lovers, and the latest model pushes those boundaries even further. Toyota has completely redesigned the 4Runner for 2026, making it more powerful, more efficient, and packed with the kind of advanced technology that modern drivers expect. At the heart of the 2026 4Runner is Toyota's new turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, which replaces the aging V6. This powertrain delivers around 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, providing a more responsive and fuel-efficient performance both on and off the road. A hybrid variant is also available, pairing the same engine with an electric motor to boost efficiency without sacrificing capability. The new 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smoother gear shifts, while available full-time 4WD and an electronic locking rear differential make it a true off-road machine. Built on Toyota's TNGA-F platform, shared with the Tacoma and Land Cruiser, the 2026 4Runner benefits from improved chassis rigidity, better suspension geometry, and increased ground clearance. Whether you're crawling over rocks, forging through rivers, or cruising the highway, the 4Runner handles it all with confidence. Toyota has also introduced new trim levels such as the Trailhunter, aimed specifically at overlanders, with features like a factory lift, all-terrain tires, ARB components, and skid plates. Inside, the 2026 4Runner is a dramatic upgrade from its predecessor. The cabin now features a large 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple USB-C ports, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Materials throughout the cabin feel more premium, with options for leather seating, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting. A panoramic sunroof, JBL audio system, and dual-zone climate control add to the comfort and convenience. In terms of safety, Toyota includes its latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite as standard. This includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. For families and adventurers alike, these systems provide an added layer of confidence on every journey. Cargo space remains impressive, with fold-flat rear seats and clever storage solutions throughout. A power rear window and available power tailgate make access easy, even with your hands full. Towing capacity has also been improved, with the new 4Runner capable of pulling up to 6,500 pounds when properly equipped. With its tough new look, capable engineering, and cutting-edge tech, the 2026 Toyota 4Runner proves that it's still one of the best choices for anyone who needs an SUV that can do it all. Whether it's daily driving, backcountry exploration, or family road trips, the new 4Runner rises to the challenge, stronger, smarter, and more adventurous than ever before.